So I want to start a fight. Court calls the case of here on Vista versus Rebecca Elledge.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff. This was a case where Ms. Elledge believed that it was on Zoom. I got contacted by Jill Bauer over at Legal Services. She believed it was on Zoom. She can't make it into court for reasons that I could tell you by judgment. I think it's fine if we just adjourn this.
I'll just adjourn it. January 24th, 2025, 1 p.m. Here on Vista versus Taisha Wilson.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
You're come up here and mess with me, right, aren't you? Hello.
Good afternoon.
What's your name?
It's Tashia.
See? If it were me, I'd let anybody call me my name and I'd just say, yeah, you got it. That's what I'd tell the judge. There you go. That's 3 people that have corrected me. All right. Where are we on this case?
I have a balance in cost of $1,625.
Okay.
1,600.
25. Okay. How were you intending on trying to get that paid, Ms. Wilson?
Is that right?
Well, when we were here, what's your monthly rent?
348.
Well,
All right.
it's going to be close because last time we were here, you were at, in December, did you pay off the full amount on the 3rd or no? How much
No.
did you pay on the 3rd?
I did.
You
I
didn't
didn't
pay
go
anything.
back to work. I
Pardon?
don't even know if I'm gonna be returning back to work.
Okay.
So I did do my SCR, but they denied me because they said that they was looking for the eviction paper, which I thought that was the paper that they gave us.
It was.
So
They shouldn't be telling you that.
right.
That figure is right around I mean, it may be a little bit higher than what I would expect if the rent is
trying to get up.
$348, but by about $100.
There's $50 late fee, and then there's a $35 washer dryer charge.
That's why. Okay.
Oh,
Got it. Okay. So
Okay.
that figure's about right.
it's fine.
Okay.
But I just really need the paper from here, and then I can reapply. But I do got an appointment with Hawk, but it ain't till the 18th,
To when?
February 18th.
18th?
Yes. Can I sit on your counter?
No, what'd you say?
Can I sit right?
Yeah.
My bed.
Would you be
Okay.
comfortable if you do that?
Mhm.
Go ahead. Now I'm gonna scream at her for sitting on my furniture. No. All right.
But I'm pretty sure, like, if I get the letter today and I do reapply, they'll help me pay.
How many people are in your house though?
Me and my 3 children.
So you got 4.
Yes.
So at most that's going to be $740 that they pay at most. So have you applied and you got a Hawk appointment February 18th? This is just not going to work. Just
Well,
not.
they might pay it off. No.
Who?
Yes.
Not with the numbers we're supposed to, that we operate by, but who knows what they're doing. I don't know what paper you need, ma'am. You need to
The
go down
court
there.
paper that's total, it, like the whole total amount now that she said, and I just reapply.
Do you have the summons we sent?
Yeah, but they didn't take it.
The complaint that's with it, the whole packet, they didn't take it. What do you mean they didn't take it?
They said that I needed. I don't know what they want because that's what people use when They go to court.
No, I know. Here's the first thing I do. January 24th, 2025, 1 p.m. You're going to try to do the SER. The only thing we have, ma'am, is this. And they're supposed to take that. I don't know what to tell you, but go back down there with your paperwork.
Okay.
And give it to them again and said you were in court and the judge said they're supposed to take that paperwork because I'm at a meeting.
Give them your number.
Now, how you give them my number? You don't even know my number. What you
I'm just like, you said the judge said.
I'm telling you, yes, you can say that because they're not supposed to. I'm at a meeting every month where specifically this is said that they don't need that paperwork.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll do it at 1 o'clock on the 24th. Okay.
Can I come on Zoom? Do I have to come in? Do you know how hard this is? For real, because I gotta walk all the way from down here. That is far with my leg. Just Zoom. I just ain't. For real.
Ma'am, submit the paperwork up front. Just ask them for the paperwork up. You got one. So she didn't have to walk all the way. No, we're catering. We are catering to you.
Okay. Submit it again.
Submit one for next time. Okay. And then I'll make a decision on that.
Okay.
Which will be no.
Thank you.
No, I'm kidding. Just take care. Have a good weekend. Here on Vista versus Elizabeth there.
That's me. I'm here, Your Honor.
You pick her up. Phone.
Can you hear me?
We got you. We got you, Miss There.
Thank you. Thank
All
you.
right. Okay, how much is owing on this one?
Your Honor, this is a case where we submitted a dismissal and then they objected to the dismissal.
Ah. Okay.
No, I didn't. Okay, not exactly. Your Honor, I'm just requesting that the $50 late fees for November and December be, I receive a credit refund because neither of those were late. I have the money order receipts, and I think I sent them to you in the email to the court, along with the ledger.
Your Honor, if I could look at the receipts, but I
don't. You said you sent it in an email to me, ma'am?
Yes, to the main email, court. They gave me the email address for the court, for your court.
Yeah, I don't have anything in my file.
No, I did it before the last court case. Guess I should have verified that they took care of that. Yeah, before the last time we met, talked, I sent it to you. But anyway, so where does that leave us? Because I have it right in front of me. I mean, I didn't know you didn't have it. And
Okay.
they know. Are they? Wait a second. Are they disputing that I paid it? They were going to dismiss it, so they know I paid it.
They do.
I'm just concerned about the late fee.
But
the $250 late fee is all I'm worried about.
And you want a credit to your account for that?
Yes, sir, because this whole case came to
so, ma'am,
you don't want
do
me to
this.
explain? Okay.
Ma'am, you see your paperwork that's there? And the law office? Send them a copy.
Them.
Pardon?
They already have it. I've already been in communication with the legal aid.
No, with the Fink and Fink, the law office that represents your landlord. Did you send it to them?
Sorry.
All right, folks, buckle up. This case kicks off with serious energy. Now remember, this isn't just another eviction hearing. Every time a tenant walks into court, there's a story behind those missed payments, sometimes hardship, sometimes mismanagement, and sometimes just flat-out neglect. The judge here is balancing the rights of the landlord, who wants their property back and their money paid, against the reality of a tenant who's fighting to stay housed. The stage is set. Tisha Wilson is in court, and from here on out, things are about to heat up.
Did you send it to
their
them?
address and everything is on the paperwork?
Pardon?
Their address and everything is on the paperwork on the,
Yes, it's on the
In the packet?
paperwork, but call there and
Uh-huh.
see if you can get an email to email it there, okay? And then I'm gonna put
Okay,
this
so
out
you're
2
gonna-
weeks and let them take a look at it.
oh my goodness. I don't know if they're disputing it, but this whole matter is about a money order that was lost and found on the 20th of December. That money order was for November's rent, and I paid it on the 1st. The ledger says that. So that's been paid on the 1st, and then they lost it, which is what triggered this whole case. And it just
Okay, ma'am,
spontaneously
if
popped
you're
up.
if you're telling me all of this and the attorney for the landlord doesn't have the information, what do you want me to do?
Well, so that's why I had to send it to them, huh? I didn't know it was going to be this involved and everything. It doesn't seem like anybody's doing with this, not you, but I'm amazed that they don't have this information. But I'll go ahead and do that. I can do the footwork, no problem. I have it all in front of me, so I don't mind. I'm just
Okay,
looking for the
great.
refund.
So why don't you do that? I'm gonna set it for the 24th, 2025, 1 p.m. And then hopefully by that time we'll have everything figured out or whatever.
All righty. Thank you so much,
Okay.
Your Honor. Have a
Miss
good
Thayer,
weekend.
Miss
Yes.
Thayer, if you call
Yes.
our office, you can get my email address. The phone number's on the paperwork.
Okay.
That's the attorney
And
for
your
the
name-
plaintiff. Call there, they'll give you an email address.
All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You
You
too.
too.
Bye-bye.
Court does call the case here on Vista versus DeAndre Smith.
Jillian Ingen for plaintiff.
I'm doing okay. What's your name?
DeAndre Smith.
All right. How much is owing in this case?
$5,946.
All right. You were gonna pay 1837 on the 2nd of,
Yeah, I paid it today.
you paid it today?
And then I got
Why didn't you pay it on the 2nd like you told me?
because my check didn't clear.
All right. That's still gonna bring it down to about 4,000 because we clicked over into January. When's the next time you're gonna make a payment?
I was definitely gonna do it next Friday.
The
I
17th?
got a hawk appointment the 2nd. I don't know how they switched it to the 2nd. And
Switch what to the 2nd?
my hawk appointment, it was the 21st, but then I switched to the 2nd. I don't know how.
2nd of what?
February.
Oh, Lord. Okay. All right. I'll try to deal with that some way. Probably will be throwing a tantrum at somebody. But when can you make your next payment, Glenn?
I was doing it next week anyway.
How much?
Like 1,200, I want to say.
Any day next week, or you just gonna pick a
Friday.
day? When?
Friday.
Friday the 17th?
Yeah.
Are you gonna pay it on the 17th? So if I don't pay it, what happens if you don't pay it on the 17th?
Oh, man.
I just give him a judgment,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, cool.
How much are you gonna pay on the 17th?
12.
I'm putting the 17th here.
Okay, cool.
They'll make it 8 days later.
Okay, cool.
January 24th, 2025, 1 p.m. That paper better be in there. We'll come find you. All right? Take care, sir. Here on Vista Apartments versus Elise Smith.
Jillian Ingen for plaintiff.
I'm here.
Hello.
Hi.
All right. And how much is owing at this?
1,925.
1,925. Okay.
That's what this month's rent included, right?
Right. You paid this month's rent plus some
I have,
because you were at 2020 last time we were here. So
right? I was at
she's kept
2020,
herself.
and then I had paid 1246, and then I had put a money order in for 398.
Okay.
The last time I spoke with you, I was explaining to you that we was on winter break because I was a teacher, and that I did apply for SCR, and that I did have an appointment for Hawk, but that was that's on the 23rd
Of January.
of this. Yes, that's the 23rd of this month. So my goal in between time until I hear something from someone is to just make payments on my own, like I've been doing. Um, I was going to tell you something else, but I forgot.
A teacher that forgot.
Yeah, today's been a crazy
No,
day.
no, I'm
You know,
kidding.
today's been crazy. I'm in the back room
Okay.
right now.
So it's 1925. When's the next time you can make a payment? I remember now that.
So I'm gonna make a payment of $500 on the 17th,
Okay.
and then I'm just gonna go from there. I don't know if I should.
Let's do this. Your appointment with Hawk is what day?
January 23rd. But I
Okay.
also spoke with the people at the front office, and they told me long as I keep communication with them and make payments, that was okay as well.
No, I got you. But I want you to keep your Hawk appointment on the 23rd. Okay. Pay the 500.
Okay.
And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjourn you out to the 24th, 2025 at 1. Okay?
1 p.m.
Yes.
Okay.
And then that way we'll see where we'll know something more about Hawk, see if we can get this paid off that way or how we're going to do it. We'll figure something out. Okay?
Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you. You have a good day and a good
You
weekend.
too. Thank you.
Old Town Realty versus Keebler